For me, I'd say that to think that I had it all figured out when I started, I really didn't have it all figured out. 5 years later, I still don't have it all figured out. So I feel like it's something that you are going to constantly evolve and grow and learn. I'm a researcher by nature. I'm constantly researching things. So I will research it and sometimes over-research things and overanalyze things and spend too much time on one area. But that's just the nature of who I am. But I'm always looking for ways to make either the creative process easier. I think that's how I discovered Boom Cards. It's like I was up one night and was doing research trying to find interactive materials, and I stumbled upon Boom Learning and Boom Cards, and this was almost 3 years plus ago. So I started creating Boom Cards a while ago, but it's just the research and just always trying to find more innovative ways and more engaging ways to just create resources. So I think it's the research. You really have to spend the time researching. And I did a lot of that before I could say I kind of dove in to really try to crank up a business. I did the research first.
Yeah, very important. Very important if you want it to be successful, I should say.
Yes, but then I can't say that I didn't make any mistakes. The thing about anything that you do, I mean, being open-minded is so important. And it took me a while to get to that point of knowing that, okay, it's okay to make those mistakes, but you learn from them. The thing about it is you can't spend too much time dwelling on something that you might have, quote unquote, thought you did wrong. It's like, okay, it was intended for you to learn from that, to grow from that. So just know going into anything, be it business or teletherapy or anything, that you're bound to have hiccups or roadblocks or things that you might look at as a mistake. But you really need to think about, okay, what was I supposed to learn from that? What's the growth in there for me to take away something? And it took me a little while to get to that point, and I'm still working on getting to that point at times, but I'm constantly looking for ways to just improve upon not being too critical or too hard on yourself, for sure.